Experiencing issues with receiving text messages on your Galaxy S23 can be frustrating. However, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. The first step in troubleshooting is to ensure that you have a strong cellular signal. Poor signal reception can affect message delivery. If your signal is weak, try moving to a location with better network coverage. If your signal strength is not the issue, the next step is to restart your phone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary network glitches. To restart your Galaxy S23, press and hold the power button and the volume down key for a couple of seconds. Then select Restart and confirm. After the reboot, check to see if the problem is resolved. If the problem persists after restarting your phone, try removing and reinserting your SIM card. This will ensure that it's properly seated in your phone. These 3 simple solutions are often enough to fix a problem like this. However, if your phone still can't receive text messages after trying these steps, there are a couple more things you can do. Consider resetting your network settings. This can help resolve any network-related issues that might be preventing you from receiving text messages. Finally, if the issue started without any apparent reason, it's possible that the problem lies with the network rather than your phone. In this case, you should contact your service provider for further assistance. We hope this guide helps you resolve any issues you're experiencing with receiving text messages on your Galaxy S23. Thank you for watching.